How to fix playback speed on YouTube. So first of all you have to open your YouTube app, and now you have to long press on your YouTube application, and then you have to click on this app info option over here. Then you will have an interface like this, and now you have to click on this storage and cache option. Then you will have an interface like this, and now you have to click on this clear cache, and now you have to clear the cache of your YouTube application, and then you have to go back, and then you have to click on this force stop option, and now you have to force stop your YouTube application. After that you have to go back to the home screen of your phone, and now you have to open your Play Store or App Store, whichever device you use, and then you have to click on search bar and search for YouTube, and now you have to update your YouTube to the latest version if available, and after that you have to go back to the home screen of your phone, and now you have to long press on the power button of this device, and now you have to click on restart and restart your device, and after that you have to open your YouTube application, and that is how you can solve this problem. So if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like it, and if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe.